traders. Quickly daily recap for today, April 30th, 2021. And I didn't do a recap yesterday because wasn't much happening yesterday. Made a bunch of trades back and forth. Traded about 5 or 6 tickers and like MVIS and OCGN and a few other ones, but wasn't much of significance. So if I made a video, which is going to be like a waste of time for you to watch it. So I thought I would skip yesterday, but today, very exciting. What I did today was, again, it's BTX day again. So now before that, I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown of how it went for me, okay? Now in the morning, what I did was I started with pre-market and, seeing that Pixie, PIXY, with some volume coming in pre-market. So I thought I would try that. However, it didn't go up much and starting to go down. So I switched over to MNMD, and I did have a little bit of a paper cut on PIXY Pixie. However, MMND made up for it, so it's kind of breaking even. After that, I was just sitting back and not doing much, just waiting for the pre-market, to be over and then go into real trading. And so MMND, I actually held it all the way past pre-market into when market opened, and it shot up. So it went up, it was great. And also PIXY was shooting up as well. So I got some PIXY at $3.82, and I saw that UXIN also running up too. So got some of that as well at 282. And then I closing out UXIN and also PIXY. And then after that, I switched to VXRT at 992. So and then I provided, went through the watch list and then provided the watch list for my premium group, because all the money is in the watch list. So basically, I've pre-selected all the stocks that I'm going to work on today or analyze today, and going to be looking to buying. And on that watch list, I usually find a runner if there is one for the day. It's usually in my watch list. So I provided that to my group in case they can trade better than me, because I'm trading off that watch list, and I provide that for them. They can follow my trades, but I'm not always going to be right, and sometimes I would overlook a certain stock or miss out on it, and they would be able to catch it and they could take it and run, right? So anyway, what I did was after that I went and bought MVIS. And actually, it was in pre-market. It's an MND. It wasn't MNMD, it was MVIS. Sorry, my mistake. And got MVIS in pre-market and held it right through into market open and closing it, and made about 6% on it. So that was great when market opened. And then after that, I got into OCGN. I played a ticket quite a bit, and so OCGN at 1194, and also PLBY, Playboy. And then after that, I discovered BTX again. I saw BTX starting to, curve up. Price action was coming in and volume was coming in. So I jumped on BTX at $34.75. So at the price of $34.75, I bought BTX because I had made a lot on BTX a couple of days ago, 2 days ago. So I'm quite confident with that. So I jumped in and I went full size and just holding BTX. I bought a couple more that I was holding VXRT and OCGN as well. So after that, I saw VXRT. It's not like it's gonna shoot up, so I decided to drop it right? And BTX was just shooting up the time, so I saw a red candle, big red candle on OCGN. So I got out of OCGN and I was just holding basically BTX. And then next, I added MOTS, MOTS at $1.48. And after that, also at UXIN as well. I added UXIN at $2.93. I was holding three of them: BTX, MOTS, and UXIN. And all three were doing really well. I could have just shut down at that time and call it a day, right? So at that time, I noticed that Riot, RIOT, and Mara, MARA, crypto stocks were shooting up a lot. So I added to the watch list. I didn't play it, but I added to the watch list. And I saw MVIS was shooting up because I sold it earlier prior to that, so added that back. But I added very little because it has already shot up to quite a bit. So I saw, and then I saw MOTS wasn't doing a whole lot, so I sold MOTS to get to make some profit. So didn't want for it to drop and then missed out. That happened to a lot of traders because they're holding on too long and then we see the red candle is hoping to come back up. Now the secret to day trading is to cut your losses fast. So when you see there's a chance of it dropping, cut your loss. Just don't hold on to it and hoping it's going to bounce back. And that's one of the things that a lot of new traders ended up, become a back holder. So cut your losses fast, okay? If nothing, you get out this video, make sure you understand that cut your losses fast, okay? And after that, I got out of UXIN as well to make some profits because those three tickers were running up and I was making good profits on them, but still holding BTX, okay? And that's all I did. And I did play some more OCGN, but just like a quick scalp, made a few bucks, but it was BTX day. That's all about BTX. And I was sitting back waiting and and then just watching it rip up. That's all I did. And let's see here. And I got in at this is before 8 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I could have called it a day at that time, but seeing how BTX was going, didn't want to miss out on that. So at that time, I noticed the sympathy play of RHE. So I was looking at that as well. So that's all I did. Just holding BTX, looking at RHE, and then I added later on RHE at 678. And today, let's see here, RHE, it went to like $10. Yeah, RHE went to like $10. So that's like a little bit over 50% on RHE. So that's all I did today was BTX and then RHE are the two tickers that made me the most money today. So BTX, let me see here. BTX today, let's see when did I get out? I got out around 57 something, 57.59. 57.59 was I got out BTX. It was before the market closed, and for that I started at 34.75 to 57 something. that I mentioned earlier. So that's I don't know how much that is. 57, 30, 34. It's like 20, 23 bucks or something like that. So that's about close to 70%, I believe, about 70%. That's not too bad, right? Now, right now, I also was watching BTX, so I got into BTX as well in after hours. And right now, as I'm recording, right now it's at 2:39 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. BTX is still ripping up in after hours. It's already at around 50% gain, and I'm at 40%. I got in and watch it, fly another 40%. So it's over 100% for me. Combining, of course, I got out at that price, and then I got in again, and at pre-market. I mean post after hours. It's post-market after hours. I got another 40%. So we're looking at over 100%. Now, this is the thing about with after hours is that sometimes you would make more than 100%. Reason being because it depends on how much you're gonna bet into it, right? If you're gonna go in small, then percentage won't be as much. But if you go in bigger than what you were trading during the day, then the profit percentage of your investment initially, when you add that up, that's way over 110%. So each time you trade, the amount is different. Sometimes you go in double the size that you normally would trade, and that would make a difference, right? In the amount of profits you make from when you first invested, or whatever the amount that you initially invested, right? So I'm still holding it. It's still ripping up. It's at 52% right now. So I'm hoping to hit 100. Okay. Right now, the price is at $76.45, $76.45, and I'm hoping that it's going to rip to $100. That would be a very, very nice payday. So that's the wrap for today. Okay, I will be back on Monday. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I will do another recap on Monday if there is something special. If there's any runners I can report on, but today's definitely a great Friday. Oh, by the way, one of our Discord members, one of our Discord members, got his 5 figures a day today. So first time in his life in trading, he got a 5 figures day today. He's very happy. It's posted in the group. I put it up here. You can see it's up here somewhere. I posted it up here. You can probably see it. Okay. Yeah. So and he's trading after hours too. So it's he's a very happy camper. And I hope that all my members, Discord members, killing it today on BTX and RHE as well. So that's pretty much it. I will see you Monday. So have a great weekend. Bye for now.